Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Born Pretty haul. This is the All Shine On Me collection, and I want to say this is their new Valentine's Day collection. Look at how pretty these bottles look. Thank you. Thank you for putting the color on top. Actually, I love that they put the name on top or the number as well. So if you do swatch sticks and you name them, and they're easy to see as well. Okay, we're gonna start off with HP 04, which looks like a coral. Ooh, it is a hot pink. Yes. You know, I have been dying to wear hot pink. I know I have like the super dark green on my nails right now, but I saw somebody else wearing hot pink and I was like, I'm so ready for that. Which is funny because every single time that I get into a new season, please don't do what I just did. I'm like, I need the new color, meaning when it's summertime I want fall, when it's fall I want spring, summer. HP 04. Let's go on to 03. Ooh, okay. Look at this payoff. Beautiful. You guys know my swatch sticks, I usually do it a little bit thicker than what I would do on my nail. Here is 03. Next we're going to do 05. Okay. Now this is my favorite type of pink because it is a cool pink. I know many people have different preferences. I love a good, wow, I love a good cool pink, and this is that. Here is 02, baby pink. 05, '02. Next up is number 1. Way too much on my brush. I don't know if I can recover from that. We're gonna leave it a little bit thick, okay? Cure that well. Number 1. And we have the glitter, number 6. Yes. So here for glitter. This is the perfect glitter for Valentine's Day. Literally perfect. Number 6, which is the glitter. Here is a close-up shot of the colors. I did dim the light some to try to give it to you as close as possible. I also did them in matte. Like, look at how pretty that is. Obviously I didn't do the glitter in matte, but these truly are stunning colors. Let me tell you that this collection of pinks is on point. These are stunning, absolutely stunning. Like, look at how beautiful those are. This one is so like neon and deep. Like, it's just these, yes, I'm absolutely here for it. This glitter probably could like slip in here, like if we're doing kind of like an ombre, but Look at that, look at that. That's the ticket right there. So needless to say, this is a great kit, and I'm pretty sure it's like $10. So I will make sure to link it below. I'll link it on Amazon and do a direct link for you guys. That way you can, you know, choose whichever one works for you guys. So I want to thank Born Pretty for sending these over to me. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.